Welcome to our channel! Today we will draw a very cute dolphin playing with a ball. First I draw a ball here. Now I am drawing the body of dolphin. It spins like this. Now I am drawing its mouth. And eyes here. It is playing with a ball. Awesome! Now I am making this drawing more visible. Let's color it. Yellow. Green. Red. Blue. Now I am coloring the body of dolphin with blue color. Pink in the mouth. Dark gray. Fantastic! Dolphin is looking so beautiful. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.